having a slow morning because for whatever reason, I've been having a lot of slow mornings recently. I think I'm going through my phase of being super tired and unmotivated, and I can't exactly pinpoint why either. Maybe it's because I've been traveling for a month. Maybe because I just have seasonal depression and it's like super cold every morning when I wake up. But either way, I've just been kind of going with the flow because I don't really know how else to combat this other than that. And it's kind of working. I think I'm getting through it. And honestly, each day just gets like a little bit better. Not that it's like that dramatic, guys. It's not that dramatic. But I have been just feeling kind of tired recently. So I've been just taking it easy and having my mornings to myself, hanging out with my kitties, which I've been really enjoying actually. I will become that 5 a.m. girl, guys. Don't you worry. But that's just not going to be today. I've been away from home for about a month now and I'm finally back at my place and with my kitty cats, my favorite little cats. Oh my god. Yeah, they love me. I'm actually so happy to be home. Like, there's something about having a routine that is so satisfying and fulfilling. That trip was so much fun, and I had the best time ever, and I was so grateful that I could travel and everything, of course. But I'm not gonna lie, I got a little homesick and I was ready to come home. But you know, I did have my hot girl summer and I had my moment, which I really enjoyed. So I was super happy about that. Got a bunch of errands done this morning. Made some breakfast, got ready. Like, I feel like when I get ready, I feel so much better. Like when I don't get ready, I absolutely just, I cannot, especially now that it's winter here. Like, I hate winter so much. Like, it's my least favorite season. I am not a hot girl in winter, which is why I have to turn on the heaters and wear my headphones, because this is all a disguise right here. I'm just slowly trying to get back into my routine and figure out my day-to-day, which has kind of changed a little bit. It's like very chaotic. I'm still studying, for those wondering, and doing other multiple things at the same time. So life is just a little bit crazy at the moment, but you know. We have all of these clothes to fold. Everything right here. Clint just washed all of this, so we have to get all of this packed away. Clint's like already onto it. What? Nothing. What's happening? You helping us do laundry? Oops. Is this why my plants are dying? Is it because of you? I absolutely do not want to go to the gym right now, but I'm so unfit. So I'm pulling my ass to the gym. These pants are from Brandy Melville and they're like my favorite thing ever because they have like the flare at the bottom. I need to find something to wear on top. Only reason why I am not wearing long sleeves right now is because the heater is on. If the heater wasn't on right now, I'd literally be like freezing my ass off. Oh. This is a Lululemon top, by the way. It's really, really good. Okay, time to go to the gym. Best part of my day. Thanks, babe. I'm about to head out because I thought I should finally have some fun, and I'm getting ready with eBay, so thank you so much to them for sponsoring today's video. I'm going to be pairing this bag that I got from eBay with my outfit, so I have 2 outfit choices and I'm going to show you guys. So let me know in the comments which one you guys like better. So eBay is my go-to destination to buy luxury handbags. They have the trendiest bags and it comes with an authenticity guarantee, so you can feel confident that your bags are genuine and you're going to save on some coin. So once your bag is sold, the handbag is sent to a dedicated authentication center for physical inspection, and genuine bags are then shipped to the buyer with an authenticity guarantee tag. So you can scan the tag with your phone, opening an encrypted digital certificate showing the product's detail and date of authentication. So each certificate is unique and the tags cannot be reused or replicated, so you know it's legit. Next time you're looking for a new bag, be sure to check out eBay. You can save so much coin and you can also sell your old bags there as well. I'm going to show you guys my 2 outfits now, and you guys can vote on which one I should wear. So this is the first outfit that I'm pairing with the LV mini trio. I'm wearing the shirt with these really beautiful sleeves, and then we have this cardigan and a skirt, and I'm also pairing it with some boots. And of course I'm wearing the LV mini trio, which is so cute, so it just hangs really nicely. So this is my second outfit, which I'm pairing with the LV mini trio. I'm wearing the same shirt except I just have a blazer on and this little black mini skirt and then these little booties. Let me know in the comments which one you think I should have worn, and I guess we'll see which one I chose.
Thursday?
Yeah.
I should be free. Wait. See, babe, the outlines. That's how it's see.
Whoa. Wait, that was so good.
Bye.
I know you guys love seeing the kitties, so I try to include them more, and I know they've grown up so much since you guys last saw them, and it's crazy to me too, because I'm like, why are they so big now? Like, you guys were just like tiny little tiny babies before, and now you're big girls. This is Nubbles. Like, look how big she is. You're a big girl, Nubbles. This is my knitting kit. This is the first square I knitted in like a very long time, so it's a bit janky. I plan on knitting an entire blanket, so I'm doing like 2 different colors. Like, I bought so much yarn, it's insane. Like, literally all the yarn. This was my recent square that I was knitting, and look how perfect it's getting. Like, I'm getting the hang of this. You might be wondering, like, why did I pick up on such a random hobby? And it's because I realized when I got back, I was like, wait, I don't like, there's nothing that I really like to do in my spare time. Not that I really feel like I have spare time, but when I do have spare time, like right now, where I decide to do nothing, this is what I want to be doing. I want to make myself a blanket. Well, actually, I was planning on making this blanket for someone else, and I wanted to make a bunch of them for like my family and like my best friends, and one blanket will literally take me more than a month to make because each square takes me like an entire day to stitch together. I've been really tired recently because of how bad the weather is. Like honestly, the weather is so bad. It makes me like not want to go outside. Like I have parcels waiting in the mail room right now, but I literally do not want to go pick them up because it's so cold outside. But I really should, so I should probably do that right after this. Some of these are PR and then like some are not. So I think I'll open these ones first. This one, I know what this is. I'm giving it to my brother. It's these Sony headphones.
Oh no, there's this one. Wait, there's nothing in here. Oh wait.
Wait.
Huh? Oh, it's not headphones, it's a...
Yeah, they're like, yeah.
Who's this? Interesting.
I'm gonna be giving these to my brother because I know he really wants these. He Nubs likes it.
Cardboard.
Next parcel is from Kosas and I've been so excited to open this. I haven't opened it yet, surprisingly, and I don't know why. I'm just like dumb. I did not didn't think to open this yet. What? I've been meaning to buy their products. Do you want something from me?
No, I'm just saying for the skincare.
No, it's makeup.
Damn it.
Well, look, highlighter, wet plumping treatment gloss. What? I want this. This is so cool. I'm so excited to try all of this. I'll let you know how that goes. I'll probably love it a lot because I hear so many good things about it. Okay, next one is from Law Mercier. They always handwrite their letters, which is insane. The lip glosses. I also took out two of the lip glosses already, so don't mind that. But their lip glosses are really great. This last one, which I also have opened already, but I just haven't used any of it. But it's their tinted moisturizers. A few different colors in this bottle. That's so cute. That's everything. Oh my god, Nubbles is so cute right now, guys. I can't. Where's my camera? Where is it? This is my progress. Look how much neater that is. I'm just gonna like move all this stuff in here. I don't really care about the aesthetics of it, to be honest. But this bin right here is so gross. Like there's like so much flying out of there right now. So I'm gonna chuck this away. Okay, this is a lot better. All this trash. My bathroom is finally clean, or at least cleaner than it was before.
Sitting shit. So I could be blessing to stay here.
Customers need that usually to be able to get into the restaurant.
Hey, Mr. Dowling, don't worry about this at all.
That's a big hole, Bob. What did you do? What? I agree.
Big yawn! That's a big yawn!